So, I wanted to have a little discussion about how I came to make my stances and my beliefs. I am a happily married woman. Shout out to my husband. He just got me this blue background. He is a wonderful husband. He is very supportive. We have been married over 9 years. Through thick and thin, this man, no matter what the weather is, he goes to work. He is a provider. He is a wonderful dude. I am a mother. I absolutely adore my children. Every day they wake up, I edify their existence. I pour into my children as soon as they wake up. I am so happy to see you, baby. Good morning. Give them kisses, all that. I love being a mother. The married couples that I've seen in my life, my mother and stepdad have been married close to 30 years. My dad and my stepmom, they just recently celebrated their 22nd marriage anniversary. So I am surrounded by healthy relationships. I'm surrounded by men who are providers that go to work every day, no matter what, and handle their business. I'm surrounded by women who are supportive and sassy and have personalities. I'm supported by that. I've seen it with my own eyes. And that is what makes me so strong in my beliefs that women should do whatever the hell they want to do. They should marry if they want to marry. They should have kids if they want to have kids. They should be child-free if they want to be. I say that because the men, like my dad, my stepdad, and my husband, that's not the current crop of males that I see today. The current crop of males that I see today would not be as supportive as I have seen the loving, supportive couples in my life. I am able to flourish in my roles as mom, wife, internet best friend, virtual coach. I'm able to thrive because I have the support of my husband. I'm able to pour into my children because I have the opportunity to pour into myself first. So that is the reason why I am like I am. I'm not this smash the patriarchy because I hate men. No, it's literally the opposite. I am like this because I want women to opt in to situations that benefit them. And if it's not beneficial, I want women to thrive in being single if that's what they choose to do. Because when you are in a relationship and then you tie up your money with somebody and then all of a sudden it goes south, then you're stuck. And then you're like, it's better to have been single. So I just want women to understand there's a couple of things. Understand yourself and your value system. And the reason why I have such a foundational viewpoint of myself is because I got married later. I got married at 33 years old. And I know that these men will have you believe that you hit the wall once you turn a certain age. It's not true. I was able to know what I wanted. And so that made it easier to connect with a man who wanted the same thing. Understanding your value system, get to know yourself, and then be true to who that is in yourself, and walk away quickly from the person if he doesn't match that. So, I know people are like, I don't want to walk away because I've been with this person for such and such. So you still have a lot of years ahead of you if you continue to pour into yourself. Another thing, I was a full and complete adult human before I got married. Despite the fact that I am in a partnership, I'm still an individual, and I haven't completely lost myself, and I haven't completely lost what made me me. I still have hobbies. I still do things for myself. So I say this because you do not want to make your whole personality your marriage. You do not want to make your whole personality being a mom. You don't want to make your whole personality being child free. So there has to be some kind of balance. So I just wanted to have that little conversation and help you guys understand what makes me me. And that way you can understand why I'm so hell bent on women. I push for women. I want women to thrive and survive and love and experience, because I have had the opportunity to do that. And now I get to settle in to mommyhood and pouring into my little humans and giving them the opportunity to survive and thrive and enjoy and experience life. So I want you guys to go ahead, jump in the comment section, tell me what you think, like, comment, share.